Hey, welcome back to my channel. On my last video, when I toured you guys on my garage, my man cave, I kind of like showed you my garage door that had insulation. It's basically styro, but I still have maybe about 4 panels that I need to finish. And I said I was going to show you guys how I measure it, cut it, and installed it. I live in Arizona, so we have, even though I have a multi-split AC in the garage, it helps a lot to have that insulation to get the garage a little bit more cooler. So I'm going to flip the camera now so I can show you guys how I do it. For today's video, I'm using the DJI Osmo 2 Pocket. Alright guys, so as you can see, here's the garage door, and I have a few more panels that needs the insulation installed. So 1, 2, 3, 4 more to go. Alright, so let's over here. Let's go through the things that you'll need to make it not messy. Like I said, it's styro, and if you cut it like I did it the first time, oh man, it was a mess. But now, by using this, it's very much more easier. I'll include the link below and where you can buy it in Amazon. It's not that expensive, and also the styro. So you need your insulation. You need a ruler to measure, marker. This I use to clean it after, and the cutter has a switch here. Turn off, on. Okay, just an FYI. Okay, this gets to be really hot, so you guys got to be careful. First, we're gonna measure the panel. All right, I'm gonna measure the height. So the way I do it, I gotta start from there, going down, right where my finger is. All right, now for the length, you have to make sure, if you see here, you can't just measure it all the way, right? Because if you see, there's a screw that will be blocking it when you push it. You gotta make sure you measure it from here. All right guys, so as you can see here, I already marked the styro with the measurements that I was able to get. Like I mentioned earlier, different panels, different measurements, so you gotta make sure that you measure garage door panels. As you can see here, okay, it's hot, so you see it's smoking here, so we're gonna cut it slow. Just don't, the way I do it is I start here. You can see it's right in the middle. See how it cuts really slow. Don't push it hard, just glide with it, right? Just go with it as it goes down. Not a lot of pressure. But as you can see there, like I mentioned, it's not a mess. It's really clean. So, and then I'm gonna do also the height. We're doing the width right now. So you can see I'm not applying a lot of pressure on it. I'm just going through the flow. It's because it's hot, so it's just cutting it. As you get closer, the way I pull it, I bring it up a little bit, and Bingo, you're done. So next thing you have to do is clean it before you do the second piece of it. All right, guys. So I have this now. As you can see, I cut it this way. I cut it that way. So now we're gonna install it. To make it cleaner, you see where the original cut was. Make sure it's facing that way. So where you cut it here, it goes to the side. Where you cut it at the bottom, it goes at the bottom, on the bottom. So the way I do it is I do this first. You gotta push it here. Push it. Yeah, see, I got in. So the measurement that I did earlier is just up to here. Just right? Just right here by the bolt. Now, as you can see, I'm bending it over here. There you go. It's in. Voila. We're good to go.